With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, I am your teacher for this question, and the question is, in a hexagonal close packed structure of spheres, the fraction of the volume occupied by the sphere is A. Fraction of the volume occupied by the sphere is A. In a cubic close packed structure, the fraction is B. So the relation for A and B is. So in this question, it is asked that in a HCP structure of spheres, the fraction of volume occupied by the sphere is A, and in cubic close packing, the fraction occupied by the spheres is B. So we have to find out the relation between these volume fractions. So first we will calculate this for hexagonal close packed structure, and then for the cubic close packed structure, and then we will see the relation among them. So for hexagonal close packed structure, the stacking of the atoms or the layering of atoms is AB-AB type. Stacking of atoms is AB-AB type. So we will draw its structure like so. This is the hexagonal plane on which atoms are present. Similarly, on this hexagonal plane, atoms are present, and among these two planes, other type of atoms exist as like this. So in this hexagonal close packed structure, this plane consists of A atoms, this plane consists of B atoms, this plane consists of A atoms, and so on. Further it will be B atoms. So the stacking is AB-AB type. So now we have to calculate the volume occupied with this sphere. That is, we have to calculate the packing fraction. So packing fraction in this hexagonal close packed structure would be, first of all, we will calculate the total number of atoms in this. As we had seen there, two atoms are also present at the center of the faces also. So total atoms contributed by hexagonal close packed structure per unit cell is, first we will calculate this. The atoms present at the corners are 6 these corner atoms and 6 these corner atoms. So these will be 12 corner atoms. Corner atoms is 12, and the contribution of one corner atom to per HCP unit cell, it will be 1 by 6 because it will be shared by other 5 more unit cells. So its contribution would be, contribution of corner atom per unit cell will be 1 by 6. So as there are total 12 corner atoms, so total corner atoms would be 12 into 1 by 6. So that will give us 2. Total number of atoms at corners, total portion of the atoms at corner is 2. Now the atoms which are present in B layer, these are the body centered atoms. So they will be completely present in one unit cell. So they will contribute totally to one unit cell. It means total body centered atoms are 3. Total body centered atoms are 3, and 2 atoms are present in these center faces, and these contribute half to the per unit cell because this will be shared by the unit cell present above this. So its contribution will be half. So we can say face centered atoms are 2, and contribution of face centered atom is 1 by 2. So the total face-centered atoms would be 2 into 1 by 2. That will give us 1. Now the total number of atoms which are present in one unit cell of HCP, we can write total atoms in total atoms per unit in HCP per unit cell. So that would be 2 contributed by corner atoms, 3 contributed by body centered, and 1 contributed by face center. So it will be 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. It means Z is equals to 6, that is total number of atoms would be 6 for the hexagonal close pack structure. And the packing fraction we have to calculate, that would be the volume of the atom upon volume of the hexagon. We have to calculate its packing fraction, and the total number of atoms are 6, so we will multiply this by 6, and the volume of one single atom, as it is a spherical atom, so it would be 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the volume of hexagonal is calculated as 24 root 2 r cube if we take this is centroid. So we will calculate the volume of hexagonal as base area into height. So that will be calculated as this. So this will give us the packing fraction as 0.74, and its packing fraction is given as A. So it means A is equals to 0.74. Now we have to calculate it for the face centered cubic, that is for FCC. So for face centered cubic, face centered cubic close packing structure, it is like this. If we draw a single unit cell, so in face-centered cubic arrangement, atoms are present at the corners of the cube. That will be as 8 corners of cube. So 8 atoms will be present at the corners, and atoms are present at the center of each face of the cube. So as there are 6 faces of the cube, so 6 atoms will be present. Now if we take this one face, the atoms are present as like this. If suppose this is the edge length of cube, that is A, this will be also equals to A. So this will be equal to, as this is 90-degree angle, so according to Pythagoras theorem, this will be equals to root 2a. So this root 2a will be equals to, if we see one atom is present like this, one atom is like this, and this, it means this is present like this atom is completely present on this face, and this half atom is present, and this half atom is present. So if the radius of the atom is r, so it will contribute r, this is 2r, and this is r, so that will be 4r, and according to a it will be equals to root 2a, so it is root 2a equals to 4r. So we have a is equals to 4 by root 2r. Now we have to calculate the packing fraction. So in this case, packing fraction would be equals to, also we have to calculate the number of atoms also for FCC. So the number of atoms for FCC is Z is equals to 4, because the corner atoms in this case, it will contribute 1 by 8. So corner atom will contribute 1 by 8, and total 8 corner atoms are, so this will be 1 by 8 into 8 plus 6 face center atoms are present, and its contribution is half. One face center atom contributes half to one unit cell, because it will be shared by another unit cell, it will be shared by another unit cell, so it will contribute half. So half into 6 face center, so this will give us 1 by 8 into 8, this 1, and this is 3, so it will give us 4. Now we have to calculate packing fraction for FCC. It would be 4 into volume of the sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of cube, that would be a cube. So we can write a is equals to 4 by root 2 r cube, because a we have calculated this, and after calculating this, this is equals to 0.74. It means b is also equals to 0.74, that is packing fraction for HCP unit cell and the FCC unit cells are same, that is A is equals to 0.74 and B is also equals to 0.74. So the relation between them is A is equals to B. We have to find out that relation. So this is A is equals to B. So the option which is the correct is first option, A is equals to B. So I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.